Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, March 5. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is reassuring the public that there are currently no confirmed cases of the new coronavirus, COVID-19, in Jamaica. An assurance was also given that should the virus reach our shores, the public will be immediately notified. Amidst reports that COVID-19 was detected on the island, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton cautioned against the spread of incorrect information about the virus. He instead urged the public to access credible updates and information from the Ministry of Health's website. In the meantime, the Airports Authority of Jamaica, AAJ, has implemented a raft of preventative and proactive measures to protect its stakeholders from COVID-19. In addition to the travel restrictions imposed on some countries, the AAJ has been screening passengers with heat-sensing scanners. Personal sanitation and protective equipment has been purchased, quarantine stations have been created, and the airport's emergency response teams have been bolstered. The AAJ has also ramped up its sensitization campaign. And Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith says government continues to provide support to Jamaican nationals currently in China. Speaking specifically to Jamaican students pursuing studies in the Asian country where the COVID-19 outbreak began, Minister Johnson-Smith says contact has been maintained with the students. Mrs. Johnson-Smith says the needs of the students are being met through communication with the Jamaican Embassy in China, parents of students, as well as chat groups created by the Jamaican Association in China.
It has been it's been a challenging set of circumstances to deal with, logistically challenging. And of course, you understand that there's a level of anxiety that you have to anticipate with persons being so far away from home. So there's even been a movement to support persons emotionally as well through those means. So yes, we have students there, students from UAE, students who are there privately, and students who are on government scholarships, but they are all being engaged with as best as possible, and their needs met also.
The Foreign Affairs Minister was addressing Tuesday's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee meeting of Parliament. In other news, the Jamaica Constabulary Forces Supplies Requisition System, dubbed iRequest, will be piloted this month. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang made the announcement at a diplomatic corps function on Tuesday. iRequest is an electronic management system aimed at monitoring and maintaining the police force's infrastructure while streamlining the requisition process. Minister Chang says the system's software was completed recently and a corporate area police station will be selected to test the system.
We have established a technology branch within the police force, commanded by an Assistant Commissioner of Police, to ensure the police not only have the equipment, but that they have a team to manage, to maintain, and to optimize its use at all times.
A draft of the National Diaspora Policy, NDP, has been approved by Cabinet as a green paper for presentation to Parliament shortly. Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, says the policy provides an institutional framework and a roadmap for cohesive engagement and partnership with the Jamaican diaspora worldwide.
The policy, aligned to Vision 2030, as well as the UN SDGs, envisions that by 2030 there will be transformative empowerment of the Jamaican diaspora to realize their fullest potential in their countries of residence while optimizing their contributions to national development.
Minister Johnson-Smith was addressing members of the Diplomatic Corps on Tuesday as part of activities for Diplomatic Week 2020. The week is being observed under the theme, Delivering a Decade of Resilience for All. And finally, the Electoral Commission of Jamaica has completed its final count of ballots in the recently held by-elections for the Clarendon Southeastern constituency. In a release Thursday, the Electoral Commission says the final count of ballots was concluded on Wednesday. It showed that with voter turnout at 18.6%, candidate Pernell Charles Jr. received 89% of the votes, while his opponent, Derek Lambert, secured 10% of the votes. The Director of Elections will now receive a report into the final count. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.